Hello guys, today we will learn about the function. How can we create the function in Python? If you want to learn a function in any language, there are three key points. First, a definition. Second one is a calling ways, and third point is a benefit. Okay, anybody ask what is the function? So you can, what is the purpose of function? So you can tell to him. The function can be reusable block of code to perform a specific task. You define it once and can use multiple times. That is the basic definition of a function in any language, not within a Python. You can say any language. Okay, the giving the definition, the syntax pattern will be the different, but concept will be the same in any language. Okay, now we will create one function and we will define how can we call in a Python. Okay, so let's go on practical. I have created learning Python py file. Okay, so first we have created create function. Okay, sorry, function. Okay, now diff is a one keyword. When you want to create a function within Python, so diff is a mandatory keyword. Okay, sum of number. Okay, you can take variable a and p. Okay, and then sorry, here is that one colon, then okay, then you will take a c as a third variable and a plus b. Okay, a plus b, then print that result. Total is c. Okay, now sorry, the function definition is clear. This block is a definition of the function. Def is a keyword which is a mandatory. Function name is a, if you want to any name, then you can define, mention any name, not an issue. Okay, I have write down just like a sorry, sum of the number. Okay, so then we will take input from user, just like a previous lecture I have explained you. Just one num1 equal to int. This is the way of input from user. Okay, input enter first number. Okay, then second number will be num2, second number, then you will call the function sum of two number, then num1 comma num2. Now you will clear the screen, then call this, then this one, suppose 20, first number, second number is 30, then output is 50. So this one is the way you can define the function. Okay, second, now we will learn Fibonacci series. How can we create a Fibonacci series using function? Okay, so first we will create a Python file. Okay, fib series. Okay, .py. I have created this. Okay, now you will create a function. You know the logic of Fibonacci series has 0, comma 1, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 8, comma 3. Fib series. Okay, so now we will create a first define a function def. Okay, generate fib series. So we will take a term, ठीक है, term as a input from the user. Okay, then colon, then enter. Okay, then you will enter. First I have already explained you will take two variable, a equal to 0, b equal to 1. Okay, count equal to 0, I have already explained you. Okay, and one other variable previous equal to generally a. These are the variables, and now we will use logic. While, okay, while I have already explained, COUN count is less than term, then colon, then what I have explained. First print a, comma end equal to, okay, spaces, then swap the number. First we will store the preview in a. Okay, a, then what is the a equal to b will assign. Okay, b value assign. Then what would be the value of b? b equal to a plus previous value. b equal to b की जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू है प्लस प्रीव्यू. why I have written this, you know that. And then count plus equal to 1. You know the logic. First we store the previous value. Okay, previous value equal to 0, I have stored there, and a equal to 1. Okay, then what would be the value of b? b equal to b which is 1. What is the previous value? 0. So then it equal to b, then counter again will print. Okay, like this. Now we will go there, we will take input just like a terms, just like a number. Okay, and teaser input how many terms want to print fib series. This one. Okay, okay, now we will call the function. Okay, generate fib series number. Okay, now we will call that like this one. So I have written 10. Then you will get the final output of Fibonacci series. Guys, I am explaining the logic behind the Fibonacci series without the third variable. I have already explained with two variable also, but I am explaining, okay, what is the logic behind the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series just a sum of two number, just like a sum. First initially 0 and 1. So what would be the next number? The next number would be the sum of previous two number, okay, just like a third number would be 1. So then again fourth number will be the sum of second and third. Then what would be the result? It would be second. And then again fifth number would be the sum of third and fourth, like this. Then this series will go like this, okay. So you can do another way also, but I have taken a previous one other previous variable. So you can do this logic. Suppose initially this is a I have taken 0 and 1 variable a and b, okay. And you can ask why you have taken the third variable. Reason is that suppose we are swapping, so I want to swap between them, okay. That's why we require the third variable. Suppose if we are iterate the loop. Suppose first time a will be 0, okay. Then we will store the value of a in other variable. That's why we have required the previous value. So we store this. Then again in second 10 number line we have assigned the b value in a, and a will be the sum and b will be the sum of this one. That's why I have a write down, okay. We can do without third variable also. Let's you can this one, okay, enter. No require third variable. U a comma b equal to b comma a plus b, okay. This one the logic, okay. So you can do this like this, not an issue. If you execute this program, then you can get the required result. I have assigned ab equal to b equal to a plus b, okay. Without third variable you can do this. You can execute this program, this one, and you can 10 the same result you can get that, okay. I think you can understand the logic, and if you are interested then you can like, okay. Your like is motivated to me. Thanks guys.